Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC if you have never visited before, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We're out here with another update on our large project in Lawrence, Kansas. As you saw from our earlier videos, we have roughly 19 piers being installed under the footing, combination of inside and outside. Here we have finished up the excavation of the piers that are going on the inside of this apartment building. We have 11 in total, but you can see we first had to saw cut these holes and actually take them out a little bit farther than we normally do, just with how big the footing is. We simply excavate 13 inches below the footing. Then once we get everything cleaned up, there's some water in there right now, we'll have to get that pumped out. But once everything's cleaned out, we will come in with our 2x3 half-inch thick load-bearing steel plate, put that right on the subgrade underneath the footing. Our King Pier on top of that plate, two 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks on each side of the pier, and we will start raising that footing back to its correct level elevation. So you can really tell in this room in particular, I don't know how well it's going to come across in the video, but there is an inward lean to the foundation walls here, so we're hoping to mitigate that by doing a mixture of piers on the inside and outside, just to be able to manipulate that footing and tilt the foundation wall on top of it accordingly. Probably also notice the leaking cracks that we have on the foundation wall. We'll get those sealed up after the piers are installed. And the final step, we have 20 steel wall braces we are going to be installing. If you've seen any of our videos for straightening walls, you know that we overkill when we do these wall braces. So we don't just do a simple lean it against the wall and call it good. You know, we tie it in with 6x6s bolted from the side of the floor joists here. These are going in the right direction for the wall braces to be installed perfectly. So that's going to be the last step. So we have a little more excavation to do on the outside, but as far as the inside goes, the vast majority is all taken care of. So now we're just going to finish up the excavation probably here next week. And then once we get the holes and everything cleaned out, we should be able to start putting some steel in the ground and getting these footings raised back to, again, the correct level elevation. So again, if you have any kind of questions regarding foundation problems you may be having at your house, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone or reach us on our YouTube and Facebook pages, search for King Piers LLC if you have not visited there before. It's a wonderful tool to educate yourselves on proper foundation repair. We don't just video a before and after. We try to take you through the process of all of our different repairs and give you those periodical updates on each step of the project as we go. So again, King Piers LLC on YouTube and Facebook, and please leave a like and a subscribe. Thank you.